What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. This is actually the continuation of our Nike outlet at Subic, so check it out. You guys, I cut the video in two because if I didn't do that, it's gonna be too long for you guys. But anyway, in this video you will see the 5 1 2 1 deals at the same outlet shop, Nike outlet at Subic Bay Free Port. So let's go.
This is a Kobe ADPE. It's currently at 50% off, so basically if you buy two of these, it's only gonna be 4,000 pesos. Here's the Nike Zoom Fly. It's at 50% off, or buy one take one. This is at 7,645, so buy one take one, so it's less than 4,000 pesos. You have another colorway. So the sneakers are also at 50% off. So here it's also on discount, 25%. This is the Element 55. Actually a nice sneakers from 7,095. Now it's at 5,396. You have this, the Air Max 270 Futura. Guys, we have here the Zoom Fly Flyknit. This is actually, in my opinion, an underrated sneakers. I have actually two pairs of these, and now they're currently on sale, 25%. The original price is at 8,095, and now with the 25% discount, it's only at 6,071. So guys, this is a very light sneakers. very comfortable. The Flyknit is very comfortable, very soft, and the cushioning, to be honest, is more softer than Boost. But it depends if you really love really soft sneakers, because sometimes if you're standing for a long time, super soft sneakers is not really good for you. It gives your feet some pain. But if just for casual walking, a couple of hours, this is one of the softest sneakers that you could wear. I love my pair, and I always wear them. If I go around to do some errands, so I normally wear this. Very, very comfortable and very, very soft. So here they have so many colors. They have this one. 7 colorways of these. Actually, this one is more discounted because this colorway is at 30% discount. So now it's 5,666. So they're actually this, and then these two are at 30% and the rest are 25%. If you want epic reacts at 5,000 pesos, this is the place to go. This is at 5,000 pesos, epic react. Here we have the Nike Odyssey React. This is at 4,700 only. We have different colorways. So yeah, if you're looking for running shoes, there's a lot of them here. This one is also at 30% discount. So yeah, another very soft and comfortable sneakers. So that I'm sure that you would love. This is good for running. So yeah, 5,300 pesos. This is 20% discount. So from the original price of 3,595, now it's at 2,695. So we have Harden, we have Clay Thompson, we have Lillard, we also have Ben Simmons and Joel Embiid. Guys, that's it. That's the Nike outlet store at Subic Bay Free Port. So I hope you enjoyed it. But before we end this video, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. 2 sneakers, Air Jordan 1 Low and Ultraboost 19. If you haven't watched our 250,000 mystery sneaker unboxing, I will be posting the link on top so you can check out the details of the mechanics. Apart from that, I'll be posting the link of the video on the description box below, including the mechanics of our giveaways. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.